Do you want to go in front of the screen? Go in front of it.
Mommy, I'm playing video games.
Okay.